গুড মর্নিং অ্যান্ড হ্যাপি সানডে। কেমন আছো সবাই? দিস ইজ কল ফ্লন্টিং বা হ্যাপিনেস, যে যেভাবে বলবে। গতকাল রাতে আমরা যে শর্ট ব্রেড কুকিগুলো বেক করেছিলাম সেগুলো দিয়ে হচ্ছে আজকে মর্নিং টি। ব্রেকফাস্ট করে মর্নিং টি শেষ করে আমরা তিনজন সকাল সকাল বেরিয়ে পড়েছি। হ্যালো
হ্যালো।
হ্যালো, কোথায় যাচ্ছি আমরা?
আমরা আমার চুল কাটতে যাব।
ফার্স্টে মিটি হেয়ার কাটিং হবে and then we'll go to visit city. আপনি ও কতদিন বাদে, 1 বছর বাদে হেয়ার কাট হয়েছে। ঘুরে যা দেখি। এবার কিন্তু হেয়ার স্টাইল হবে না, শুধু সবসময় হেডব্যান্ড পরে যেতে হবে।
তো
Did you see those couple? Cross. So we are here, super duper hungry. Are you hungry?
yes.
Let's go. আমরা অনেক দিন বাদে আজকে দোসাহাটে এসেছি। ইনফ্যাক্ট কত মাস পরে আমরা সিটিতে এসেছি, তাই না? তো ওরা মেনু কার্ডটা দিয়ে গেল, দেখলে তোমরা। তো চলো দেখি কি কি আছে। বেসিক্যালি ওদের যে একটা ডিশ আমার যেটা সবসময় পছন্দের, সেটা হচ্ছে চিকেন 65 বিরিয়ানি। হোয়াটস ইয়োর ফেভারিট ডিশ?
I don't know.
ওকে চলো, লেটস চেক হোয়াট আর জানি না কেন আমরা কখনোই সে ধোসা অর্ডার করি না। এটার ভেতরে না পনির স্টাফ করা রয়েছে অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ রিয়েলি রিয়েলি গুড। ফার্স্ট থিং যেটা আমরা টেস্ট করেছি সেটা হচ্ছে, আই থিঙ্ক দিস ইজ পনির স্টাফ ধোসা। আই রিয়েলি লাইক ইট অ্যান্ড দ্য বেস্ট পার্ট, মিঠি শি ডাজন্ট লাইক ধোসা। ভালো লেগেছে তোর এটা? ডিড ইউ এনজয়? উইচ পার্ট ইউ এনজয়, দ্যাট পার্ট অফ দ্য ইনার?
Every part.
Everybody, she loves the stuffed paneer.
Most of it.
I love this chutney. I don't know what it is called. I will ask them. Chaat to kaar na bhalo lage. Always, all time favorite chaat.
It's our all-time favorite chicken 65.
Is it spicy?
Not much.
Not much for you, like people who have the higher spice tolerance, or
Which is delicious.
What are you eating?
Butter chicken and
meat is. I think it's kids' favorite butter chicken. All the kids love butter chicken. I just love the smell. You know that the smell of star anise and all the spices. I just love it. চম্পর খাওয়া দাওয়া হলো অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল। আমরা তো বলি যে আমাদের ভালোই লাগে ধোসা হাট। একজনের সাথে কথা হচ্ছিল তো আমি ভাবলাম তোমাদের সাথে আলাপ করিয়ে দিই। সো মিট রিতেশ।
Hello.
Thank you, Ritesh, for being such a good host.
My
And now, please tell us that how, I think you were telling us that you came as a student and then you started this business. So basically, as a student হিসেবে এখানে এসেছিল and then he started this business. I mean, you joined with your brother.
Yes, please.
So please convey your story.
So basically, I came here as a student in 2012. So after my masters, I've worked with multiple MNCs. I worked with Telstra and Apple.
Okay.
And I have a lot of fantasy towards food and serving food. So I took up this franchisee called Dosa Hut. So in 2016, we started the city branch. If I'm not wrong, it was in November. We started 2016. And then it was going really well from then on.
We came to know this, I think 2017, right, Vishnu?
Yes.
And like one of our favorite at your place, especially for party orders, is chicken 65 biryani. I never had this before.
That's the crowd's favorite as well.
Everybody
The customers love chicken 65.
Is it common in like Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad, or this is something?
So this is something very unique in Dosa Hut because chicken biryani it's available across many restaurants and also in India. But chicken 65 biryani was founded in Dosa Hut. So that's a very unique dish which we serve, and we have got a lot of praise for that. And many people really like our chicken 65 biryani. And we've got really honest fans for our chicken 65 biryani.
Tell us, our viewers, as I said, that Bengalis love to eat food.
Yeah.
So if they come and without chicken 65 biryani, if they want to explore new, what will be your suggestion?
So basically we have everything right from south to north. So we have starting from dosas, we have chaats, we have Indo-Chinese, we have fusion, we have fried rice noodles, then we have curries. So we have started curries recently, but we are doing really well in curries. We have North Indian style curries and South Indian style curries, and we have parathas, and we have chole bhature, all the different dishes.
So you covered both North Indian and South Indian,
Yeah.
but does your cook, they can cook because
So we have chefs who are vastly experienced. We have chefs who are from South Indian background and also North Indian. We have Bengali chefs, we have Punjabi chefs.
do you have Bengali
Yes.
recipes?
We don't have Bengali recipes in the menu at the moment. We are very soon
You should
thinking to
start
with-
adding Bengali.
Yes, yes, we are actually working on it. So very soon you'll see Bengali names, dishes names in our menu.
That's good. And you said that you have started adding curries recently. Why recently? I mean, why not
So
earlier?
curries we have curries from beginning, but we haven't focused more on. We are basically known more for biryanis and dosas and Indo-Chinese. And also we got very good feedback when we initially started curries. We got very good feedback, and then we were like, why not increase the items?
And now Ritesh came as a student and he started business. Do you have any that pocket friendly which for a student? And
Yes, we actually have student deals, like especially from 3 to 6. We have introduced different biryanis and fried rice and noodles for lesser price, mainly for the students.
yeah. So Tara,
next year that would be helpful for me.
It's already well planned.
so যারা নতুন অস্ট্রেলিয়াতে আসছো, মেলবোর্নে আসছো, ধোসা হাটে এটাও একটা ব্যাপার আছে যে they have the student deals. And I think you were talking about some app and something I forgot. Could you please?
So we have recently started. We had the Dosa Hut app. Now we are rigorously promoting it. So now that because of the pandemic, we have started this QR code ordering, wherein the customer just needs to scan the QR code, and the order will go inside the kitchen. So there won't be
Okay.
any physical contact with the staff. And it's
It's
very easy.
directly means we don't need to take help of any other
No.
third party to serve the food. So
No.
they can order directly through
You can
your.
scan the QR code and you can browse through our extensive menu, and you can simply pay by card or pay by cash. It's up to you guys.
That's awesome. That's awesome. How did you manage during pandemic?
It was a very challenging time actually, but compared to all the industries, I think hospitality industry was the biggest. It was hit badly, but thanks to our beloved customers who have been constantly supporting us even during the pandemic, I want to take this opportunity to thank them firstly.
So what has changed after at this stage? Like what the steps you are taking for the COVID safe place?
For the COVID safety, first thing is we have started this QR code contactless ordering, and second thing is we have started the 100% biodegradable plates, which are very hard to get from India. It takes a lot of time actually. We did a lot of browsing, and we have to order in bulk because otherwise they're not transporting that much.
And that must be a little bit costly as well.
It is expensive.
Yeah?
Plates are expensive.
So then how do you manage to keep your old price and adding all this to for customer safety?
For us, the customer priority is our utmost priority. The customer safety is our
Safety is
utmost
your-
priority. So we thought, why not we go ahead with the makeup artist plate. And
That's
also
good.
we constantly check the temperature of the staff whoever are working with us, like right from the sous chefs to the chefs and from the front staff as well. The moment they enter, they have to sanitize their hands, and we check their temperature, and then only we allow them in the kitchen.
But I think it's our, as a guest, it's our duty as well that if we are sick, we shouldn't come.
And during this festival season, we have introduced the gift vouchers for the hot air balloon. So we are giving away 20 gift vouchers, so which are worth $100 each. So that's one addition, and also on top we are also giving the app $5 discount on app downloads.
So
those are the offers
how,
going on.
how one can access for that gift voucher?
So you can download it, and the moment you download it and do your email verification, you will be sent a $5 discount voucher. So you can redeem that in store.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
And
for
every
this,
week we'll be having new deals coming up.
for this order,
So to enter into the lucky draw, you need to comment on our Facebook post,
Okay.
and the lucky people will be.
Maybe you will go and visit that link.
we'll give it a look. Okay,
Yeah.
for sure. আর আমি তোমাদেরকে জানাবো। Thank you, Ritesh. It was a nice talk with you, and really we enjoyed everything. And wish you all the good luck for New
Thank you.
Year and upcoming all this.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you.
হলো হলিডে সিজনের ফার্স্ট স্মৃতি ভ্রমণ। সিটি ঘুরলি ভালো লাগলো না? ঘুরলি, ছবি তুললি, খেলি। Didn't you enjoy? That is what I'm saying. Yeah? So now what to do? Time to go back to? Yes. Time to go back to home. Home sweet home. So holiday সিজনের ফার্স্ট দিনটা খারাপ কাটলো না, পেট পুজো ঘোরা সমস্ত কিছু। এখন আমরা যাচ্ছি বাড়ি। অনেক দিন বাদে দিন না, মাস বলবো না, 1 বছর বাদে সিটিতে এসে বেশ ভালো লাগলো। মেলবার্নের রাস্তায় লোকজন দেখে এই পুরো হলিডে ভাইবসটা সেটাকে ভীষণ এনজয় করলাম। আই থিঙ্ক বিশ্ব উইল এগ্রি উইথ মি, রাইট?
একদম।
আমিও এগ্রি করছি।
তুমি এগ্রি করছো?
এত মাস বাদে এখানে এসে ভালোই লাগলো। এর আগে আমি যখন অফিসে এসেছিলাম তখন খুবই খারাপ লেগেছিল, কারণ অফিস করাটা একদম বন্ধ, কেউ নেই নেট। কিন্তু অ্যাটলিস্ট এই আমরা যখন সিটিতে গেলাম, ফেস্টিভ মুড, সবাই
স্পেশালি মায়ের সামনে তো মনেই হচ্ছে না, প্রচুর লোক। বাট আমার ভালো লেগেছে। আই হোপ কে পোস্ট হলিডে সবাই খুব ভালো থাকুক, সেফ থাকুক, কারণ একটা স্টেটে ভালো হয় তো আরেকটা স্টেটে বিগড়য়। যেমন আমরা শুনছি এখন নিউ সাউথ ওয়েলসের অবস্থা খুব একটা ভালো নয়, বাট যাই হোক এটা তো আমরা সবাই মেনেই নিয়েছি, যেরকমভাবে আস্তে 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 আমরা বেটার লাইফের দিকে যাব। তো চলো, অনেক বকবক হয়েছে সারাদিন করে, আমিও ক্লান্ত, আমরাও ক্লান্ত। এই ব্লগটাকে এখানেই শেষ করছি। আমাদের সাথে সময় কাটিয়ে ভালোই লেগেছে ওদের নিশ্চয়ই। তো অ্যাজ অলওয়েজ ব্লগটা ভালো লাগলে
লাইক, শেয়ার, কমেন্ট এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব টু ফুডি সানলাইট। সকলে খুব ভালো থাকবেন।
বাই।
বাই।